Thank you for watching other episodes of Stallones Reviews. My mission is to help you decide what to love making next. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Please hit that like button and remember to subscribe. We're trying to make 50 subscribers by the end of September and only 14 more to go. You guys are awesome. Today I'm reviewing the Sluban Red Samurai. On the Stallones review, rock scale of hardness of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, I give this kit a 7 to 8 as the arms are pretty hard to apply and I had to sand a piece just a fuzz to get it to fit into the hole that it belonged in. The instructions were pretty great. They were in a very nice booklet style format with very good coloring, making it easy to follow. This brick kit had numbered bags with instructions used very well, but you often need the next sequential bag and then some auxiliary bags, like say bag 2 and also bag 11 and 19. Along with the instructions were pretty hefty a number of decals, and the instruction booklet walked you through their application as you came to them, and all the necessary pieces. Though some of the decals cover multiple pieces when you reach the arms, so, when you gotta take it back apart, that might be a little bit trickier. Speaking of the decals, there was a problem with these as they came folded in half with the crease running right through the decals. This might not have been a problem except that some of the decals actually started to split in two at the crease. The box my kit came in was plenty big to hold the decals without the need to fold them, so I don't know why they decided to do that. When it came to building with the bricks, the building went exceptionally well for most of the kit, using 3 sorting trays, 1 for small, 1 for medium, and 1 for large bricks, helped sort the bricks for a very efficient build. Some of the bricks fit quite loosely, with the worst offenders being ones that I would say have what I call a reverse stud, where the stud is on the bottom side of the brick and often has a hollow center. I rarely apply glue to keep problematic pieces together, but I would say that maybe 98% of the kit did just fine without the need for glue. Otherwise, the bricks snapped together firmly. Connecting the arms to the kit, the ball joints and sockets went together too firmly and would shatter the arms. If you just attach the ball joints and the sockets together first and then build the rest of the arm around it, you're much better off. I had no missing pieces, and they give you some extra pieces in fact, so you can display one of 2 different face options and 2 different helmet options. Is this a Lego quality on the cheap experience? This is about midway to a Lego on the cheap experience, but needing to sand apart and the stickers splitting because they were folded hurt this somewhat. It was very difficult to attach the arms, requiring you to deconstruct them, join the ball joints and sockets first, and then rebuild the arm around these points, which also injured a typical Lego type building experience. And to insert the brick responsible for holding the head on the build needed just a wee bit of sanding to taper the edge and allow it to slide into the brick it needed to go into. Looking at what I liked, the Red Samurai is huge, almost 14 inches or 35 centimeters tall and very detailed. He has 2 different faces to apply and 2 different ways to decorate his helmet. He has 2 equally huge swords and a pretty sweet rack to display them in. Shiny metallic stickers dress out the Red Samurai's thigh and shoulder armor nicely and down the center of his back. I was able to get Red into a pretty sweet pose and it didn't go too badly, but his feet are very slick, so I had to put some double-side sticky tape on them to get him to stay put. The main problems I had with this build were the crease in the stickers and how hard it was to get the arms pressed on. I'm trying to snap this on. It is not going easy. Tempted to file it down. Jeez. That was very difficult. The sticker issue is purely cosmetic and didn't impact the construction and not really even the finished look at all, honestly. It took everything I had, though, to get the ball joints together for the arm and shoulder. It was ludicrously hard. Secondary issues include having to sand a piece to mount the head on the construction, which soured things a little bit, and the brick tool was in bag 10 and probably should have been in bag number 1. Can a beginner do and enjoy this kit? I think a beginner can build this, but the arms will definitely challenge them. Would I do it again? Yes, I love this kit despite the difficulty with the arms, and he looks very imposing and awesome. Did you already build the Red Samurai? If so, what did you think? Please let the Stallones Reviews community know in the comments. Please like and subscribe to see my latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make one of your own Red Samurai. If you're in a position to support me on Patreon, please click my link in the description. We have a camera that is starting to have some serious issues. There's going to need replaced here with all the pictures have been taken in all these different models. Yeah, please consider joining our Patreon so that we can get some support with getting a new camera there. Thank you. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.